In our office, everyone's always willing to help each other out. As a new agent, I am happy to come in every day because I know that there's going to be someone here who can help me out and assist me if need be. We're a big team, even though we aren't necessarily all on a team.
And we have a deep sense of camaraderie. We have new agents, and we're also open to helping each other out and helping the new agents as well as helping each other when we run into problems.
Everybody is like a big family. Everybody gets along quite well, and we help each other. I need help on tech, and sometimes some of the newer agents need help on that my experience has brought me.
I've been at this office or with Century 21 for 36 of my 37 years. Our general manager is Bob Ziegler, and I've worked with Bob all 36 of those years.
Our office is super supportive, not just in the office, but also the corporate office as well. There are a ton of training opportunities as a new agent like myself. I know I can reach out to anyone in the learning and development team or go to any agent in my office and feel comfortable asking them any question or for support with any situation.
We have so much training. I could spend all day, every day, training for something.
The people in here I enjoy being around.